Okay guys, just gonna take a walk up this road. Think it's called Avenue de Chiran, I believe, I'm not too sure, but it is just a like kinda leading off from the market, of course, behind us. So yeah, just take a walk up and have a look what is still open. So you do have your local bars, as well as the chicken. No, I'm not even sure what's going on with that place. I haven't seen it open for a while, so... What?
Yeah, it's private now.
No, they're two separate bars. The chicken, and that's what Nicola's. Is this a bar to black chicken? Yeah, not open sadly, so not sure what's going on there. We'll of course show you the supermarket across the road there, Costa Less. Do British discounts, great food in there. You can get many of your British products for pretty cheap as well. I mean, we tend to often use it like you can get curry powder, just chop it up, add water, gorgeous. Anyway, with the recent news of what is happening with the market, the news that it might possibly be ending, sort of makes you think, well, like, are these places going to be able to stop open? Like, really does make you question that, to be fair. They are just sort of in like a local sort of area. Back of some of your hotels, I believe, as well. Not sure if that's coming out on camera, but big building in the back there, Hotel Wassenaar. So here we are, kinda on the back road behind all your hotels. Got a huge car park there. I mean, that was huge wasteland, and to be honest, you would have thought they'd use that for something better than a car park. I know it does get busy down here on Market Day, but I mean, could have been used for other things. Cafe Marisol, bar we used to come to rather often. Great drinks in there, not too expensive either, was it?
No.
Used to always be a sort of good thing to just sit, relax, nice cold drink. Gonna carry on further up now. Of course, if you do carry on right up to the end of the road, you will be coming out by like the pharmacy, the big main road, which eventually takes you to the palace. But on this side you do have some more great bars, two British bars, the Mad Monk and of course the 12th man. Oh, okay, I've just seen something a wee bit worrying. I've just seen something really worrying, guys. So, believe that Manuel coffee shop.
It used to be a nice little place, I think.
Yeah, it used to be a nice little place. Pop in, have a nice coffee or cold drink, have something to eat, and gone. Yeah, does seem like a lot of these smaller, lesser known bars are going. You got the sort of residential area there, like big apartments, sort of like little thinkers and little apartments. Tattoo studio there, D'Angelo Tattoo Studio. Never been there.
I enjoy watching your video. Your
Thanks, darling. Thanks. Yeah, I've never been there. I normally, well, for the past 2 tattoos, I've been Inkaholics, which has just recently bought a new shop, or the last one I went to. God's sake, I can't even remember what it's called now. I think it's called Get Inked, something like that. I'm not entirely too sure. I can't even remember, but like, when I had me crazy Marcus tattoo down by the Burlesque bar, then the one where I had me Bad Boy Chiller Crew tattoo, sort of in that little square. Yeah, the little kebab shop's closed as well.
It was expensive in there, wasn't it?
Yeah, expensive, but I mean, food weren't too bad. I mean, I think we all had steak and quite a decent size, weren't it? Not really too bad, not special, but I mean, still enjoyable, I suppose. Probably, of course, pricey, because I mean, we all had steak and a few drinks. Bacchus or Pelicanos there. Not going to be too nosy, but of course, behind the fence there you do have the pool for Hotel Solana. Just saw some fans, guys, believe that message Mike yesterday about meeting for a pint, but as usual we were a bit busy, so he's just given us a couple of euro to go get a drink. So, huge thanks, mate. Think your name's Rick from Portsmouth. So yeah, enjoy your holiday here till 1st of November. So yeah, hopefully we will bump into you again at some point. Staying into Gala Placido as well now. I filmed that a few times and it does look quite a nice hotel. Mad Monk there as well. Probably recognise that from Barking Loving Brits. Been on recently. Season 9 on a few episodes. And of course, think it was season 9 episode 15. You see me, Sue, And of course, mad about Benidorm, Jamie a few times on camera. Sadly, however, you don't really hear us speaking or out. You just sort of see us.
You tell him you're a professional, Marcus.
Yeah, I told him I'm a YouTuber, but that didn't seem too bothered. Anyway, guys, smash a like, smash subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.